Good day everyone, my name is Cadet Nikki Florence Palay. We are here in VHF Trainer. So it is divided into 3 sections. We have learn, test, simulation. So we can have an immersive experience on board ship to read, train, and test all our knowledge. So let's start with the learn. There are 9 illustrated chapters in here that we can learn and read. So our available here is only chapter 1. So let's start chapter 1 and continue. We have glossary first. It has 4 lessons inside the chapter 1. So let's go back to home. So next is test. We can test our knowledge inside in it. We have selective levels in here, the skipper and professional. So let's start with skipper. We have question here that we can answer. So let's start. So after that, it will give you score and answer and congratulate you or invite you to continue studying according to your performance. So let's go back to the menu. We have simulation next. We have a 3D simulation that allow us to navigate aboard the ship using the marine VHF equipment with all its functions. So we'll receive radio communication, send alerts, and you will be able to experience situation or stress and get ready to navigate and experience an interaction with the ocean in a safe and controlled way of environment with the emphasis of VHF equipment and the digital selective calling. So first, let's move our ship. So we have to tap up here and we can see the aerial view, the bridge, GPS, and VHF, and the scenarios. So let's try the aerial view. So we already in an aerial view. So next, the bridge. You can see the bridge, and next the GPS. This is our GPS. You have to tap the red button to open it. So if you want to explore the GPS, we have the 4 buttons here, the up and down and right to left. So we have the zoom and zoom out in here. If you want to zoom and you want to zoom out. And next, if you want to change the brightness, we have here. And if you want to remove the time, position, or SOG and cog in here, we have an eye here button to removing it. And so next, our VHF. Explore the VHF. So we have to turn on the VHF and the volume. Minimize our volume and try a sequel. So adjust the VHF and we have dimmer to light up or the brightness of the screen. If we want to change channel, we have the buttons here to up or down. To scan, we have scan here, and the menu. If you we have the stress here. We want to tap the distress. It says here we have 5 seconds to send distress, so we have to press it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready, send distress. So let's try scenarios. We have scenarios here, 20 scenarios, but 2 is only available. So let's try how to adjust a sequel. So let's start. So it says here the objective is to power on the VHF device, tune channel 9, set the sequel to level. So let's try. It says VHF, so I'm going to use is VHF. So let's start power on the VHF device. So let's turn on the VHF device. So we adjust the volume. So we have to turn the channel to 9. And next is we have to set the sequel level. So wait for the combination to end. So we're done. We have successfully solved the scenario.